Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get HDR effect on CapCut. So first, finish your edit and then just go to effect and then find comic category. Okay, this one, and then select DBNW sketch. Click on the effect and then click on the check icon and then set the effect until the end of the video. Then go back, add another effect under the basic category. Okay, here select the blur effect, this one. Click on the check icon and then export the video. Okay, after that, go back, replace the BNW sketch with the neon effect under the comic category. Okay, oops. Okay, after you replace, just click on the check icon and then export it again. Okay, go back again and then remove the effects. And now click on overlay and add the video with the sketch effect as an overlay. So this one, click on add, adjust the size until it fits, and then after that go to splice, select burn, this one, and then adjust it into around 40 like this. Okay, no, actually I'm going to go with 30, around 30. Click on a check icon and then add another overlay, and now add the video with the neon effect, and now adjust the size again until it fits, and then go to splice, select dodge and set it to around 25 like so. Click on the check icon and then add another overlay of these pictures right here. You can screenshot if you want. Click on add, adjust the size. Okay, I'm going to adjust the size and then click on splice and then click on dodge. Set it to around 50. Click on a check icon and then after that go back, go to adjust and set the brightness into -2, contrast into 27, and the saturations into 9, exposure into -3, and set the sharpen into 100. Click on highlight and set it into -4, shadow -30, and then add some vignette effect into around 30. Okay, click on a check icon and here is the final result for the HDR effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.